to another episode of Sincerely Legenia. It is Taco Tuesday and I've got a great dish for you guys today. We're going to be making a Keto Cheesy Taco Skillet. It is another quick, easy, and delicious one. One skillet is all it takes. You're going to have to do a lot of chopping though, but it is totally worth it. This dish is like a fabulous taco in a bowl. I just finished 2 servings of it. Don't judge me, okay? But it is just that good and I cannot wait for you guys to try it. So let's go ahead and get started. Everybody, we're going to begin this recipe by adding 1 pound of ground beef to our skillet. You guys, this tool is wonderful. If you guys do not have one of these tools, they are amazing for breaking down your ground meats. They do a beautiful job. And also when you just need to mash up things like potatoes and maybe your mashed radishes and those sorts of things, this is an excellent, excellent tool to use. While our meat is browning, we're going to go on and chop up our veggies. So our ground beef is now ready. Now let's add our vegetables. We have 1 zucchini, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 red bell pepper going in. Look at all of those pretty colors. All right, now we're going to add in our chopped tomatoes and our diced jalapeno. Mix that in. Okay, everyone, now it's been cooking for about 2 minutes right now, and this is a beautiful looking dish already. So now let's go in with our spices. We have got chili powder, oregano, paprika, garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, and pink Himalayan salt. The exact measurements will be in the recipe. Again, this is not my recipe, so I'm going to leave the link to the original recipe, original recipe creators, in the description box below. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to put all of those delicious seasonings in. Amazing. Oh my goodness. And make sure you have a large enough pan. I don't think this one was large enough. Again, I think I've told you guys in a previous video I like to use this pan for everything. But I think I may have needed one a little bit bigger for this recipe. So go ahead, we're going to mix this up really good. Oh, and I cannot forget, guys, I almost forgot my onions over there. We've got to add our onions in. Oh my goodness, let's put those onions in like we need anything else to fry out this pan. Let me turn it around so I can get a better grip on this. But yeah, we got to get those onions in there. They've got to cook as well, so let's get those onions in. Guys, this smells amazing. So I do recommend, I think this is maybe a 12-inch skillet. Get a larger skillet than what I did when making this recipe. You want to have plenty of room. In the meantime, let's go on and shred our cheese and chop up our green onions. Okay, guys, so I have a block of shredded cheese right here that I'm going to go in and shred for this. we've got our shredded cheese. All right, green onion all diced up. That smells divine. All right, guys, let's take a look at this. Wow, it smells so good, full of so many delicious Mexican flavors and spices. You can definitely taste them all. It smells so good. So now we're going to turn the burner off and we're going to go ahead and top this with our shredded cheese. And feel free to use any cheese that you have. Another good one would be a Mexican blend. I know they have the Mexican blend already pre-sold in stores with the 4 different cheeses. I have this cheddar cheese, this sharp cheddar cheese on hand that I wanted to use. So that's why I'm gonna go ahead and just use this up. But guys, feel free to use any one of your favorite cheeses, okay? All right, we've got our cheese on. I'm just gonna cover it while I go and get my green onions and my lettuce together. I'm just gonna cover it so that that can melt, and then I'll be right back to top it with our lettuce and green onions. Oh my, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So guys, if you're gonna serve this all at once and you know your family's gonna eat it all at once, go ahead and top the entire thing with your lettuce and your green onions. But because I know we're not gonna be ready to eat this just yet, I'm just going to go ahead and take it out and top just a portion of it with the lettuce and the green onions, and then the rest of this will be available for my family as they choose. So whenever they're ready to eat, it'll be readily available for them. Our Keto Cheesy Taco Skillet. Here it is right here. I showed you guys plenty of pictures. This bowl is really, really hot. But here we go. Let's give it a try, guys. Make sure I get some of everything in here. Oh, look at that. Here we go. I'm fixing to dive in. You guys, this is a taco in a bowl. That's what it is. That's all it is, a taco in a bowl. And it tastes amazing. This zucchini, really, the zucchini, red bell pepper, and green bell pepper are really, I think they're taking over as the stars of the dish. One more bite. I've got my delicious excess energy drink here. I'll leave a link in the description box where you guys can get you some of this. Let you guys see what that is. Delicious. You guys, this dish is absolutely delicious. Really, the zucchini, the red bell pepper, and green bell pepper are really delicious in this dish. And it really just, I think it's stealing the show as being the star of the dish. The ground beef is delicious, and of course, all of that ooey gooey cheese fabulous. Top this with your favorite toppings, you guys. You can use black olives, put more jalapenos on there. I think I want to put some more jalapenos on here. It tastes like a fabulous taco in a bowl. You guys are going to love this dish. It is a wonderful keto addition to your Taco Tuesdays. Give this one a try. I promise, I don't think I've steered you guys wrong yet. And this one is definitely a keeper. Okay, guys, that is it for today's episode. This is another one that is just delicious. It's another quick, easy, and delicious meal that you can prepare in no time flat for your whole family. It's, again, like a taco in a bowl, but it's a lot healthier. Those vegetables are fresh. They're nice and crisp, and I'm telling you, you are going to love this dish. You've got to find a way to squeeze this in to one of your Taco Tuesdays really, really soon. Thanks, guys, for joining me for another episode right here on Sincerely Legenia. It is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous day, and I'll talk to you in the next video right here on Sincerely Legenia. Bye.